Hello everyone, now the battery's charged, it's time to get my Fiat going for the first time in 6 months. It's a real shame it's been sat for so long, but it's because I've been away trading for a few months. Since I parked up the car, the brand new starter cable has stretched, so the pin isn't hitting the starter motor. So what we're going to do today is see if we can tighten up that cable and hopefully it should start first time. The car is parked in a tight garage, so the most efficient way for us to jack it up is going to be to put a beam between the two jacking points and put a regular jack underneath them. Not exactly the industry standard, but it should do the job for us. Ignition on, lights are on, battery's good, clutch down, neutral, throttle on. How are we for fuel? Yeah? Fuel. We got fuel? Yeah. Quite good. Awesome. Because of the rules in the UK at the moment, I can only take this car out food shopping, but I will take it out for a drive on some fun roads as soon as possible, and I'll make sure I film all of that for you. Do subscribe for a new video every Saturday, and as always, thanks for watching. Ciao!